Hello class. Today I'll be talking about twins. To start off, there are two different types of twins. The first one we'll be talking about is identical twins, which is monozygotic. A general stereotype about identical twins is that they are clones. When you meet identical twins, you will notice that they act alike, that they look alike, and are expected to be identical. The actual term of identical twins means how the twins form and not what they look like. Identical twins are officially described as monozygotic. Monozygotic twins form from a single fertilized egg. My twin brother and I are monozygotic twins that were formed from a single fertilized egg that split and became two eggs. The scientific term would be that the zygote splits into two parts after conception, resulting in the development of two individual embryos. Because of the two embryos came from one single egg/sperm combination, we have the same genetic origins and thus the same DNA. One time my brother and I had to go to court and they had to fingerprint us. The lady that fingerprinted us could not tell our fingerprints apart because of the fact that we have the same DNA. But that does not mean we have the same fingerprints because we do not actually have the same fingerprints. Despite the overall increase in twins and multiples since the late 1980s, having identical twins is about 3 in 1,000. Whereas the birth rate for all twins is about 33 in 1,000. There are more than just fraternal and identical twins. Other rare twins include half-identical twins, which is when the egg splits and then each half is fertilized, and mirror image twins, identical twins who develop asymmetrically. My brother and I are also referred as mirror image twins. My brother is right-handed and I am left-handed. So, if I was to raise my left hand up in the air and look in a mirror, it would be like me looking in the mirror and having my right hand up. The definition of mirror image twins are that they are monozygotic twins that form from a single fertilized egg. When the egg splits occurs late, more than a week after conception, the twins can develop reverse asymmetrical features. The term is not really a type of twin, it's just a way to describe their physical features. Now let's talk about other twins for a second. There are other types of twins like dizotic twins. Others referred to as fraternal, which is the result of two eggs fertilized by two separate sperm. Although most women only release a single egg in an ovulation cycle, sometimes multiple eggs are released. Dizotic twins share about 50% of their genetic traits, the same as any other siblings born at different times. Now let's talk about some interesting facts. The cause of monozygotic twins are generally unknown and unidentified. No one really knows exactly why eggs split. Technically, it's a malfunction of the normal development process. There's no hereditary traits that make it more likely for you to have identical twins. Identical twins do not run in families. Although there are families with a high incidence of identical twins, it is due to chance, coincidence, or plain good luck. Identical twins represent about 1/3 of all twins. There is also a small chance of twins that are called conjoined twins. Conjoined twins are physically connected to one another at some point on their bodies. Conjoined twins occur once in every 200,000 live births according to the University of Maryland Medical Center. About 70% of conjoined twins are females. Conjoined twins are identically and they are the same sex. The form of joined twinnings refer to the point where they are joined. The top 5 starting from the most frequent, where they are most frequently joined together, is heart, liver, intestine, spine, and pelvis. There are other places where conjoined twins can be formed around as well. Scientists believe that conjoined twins develop from a single fertilized egg that failed to separate completely as it divides.